What's going on? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So, I finally did it. After an embarrassing amount of overthinking, like Olympic level overthinking, I pulled the trigger and I bought the DJI Avata 2. Yeah, I know I'm late, like everyone already reviewed it, moved on, and started arguing about the next drone late. But listen, this is what I do. I don't impulse buy, I overanalyze, I question everything. I almost convince myself not to buy it, and then I buy it anyway. So ever since the original Avata dropped, I was hooked. Because look, flying mini drones, I love it. Super clean, super cinematic, but FPV, that's a different beast. That's the stuff that makes you go, yeah, I want to do that, and probably crash immediately. So last week, I'm scrolling through Facebook Marketplace, dangerous place, and I find an original Avata, 400 bucks. I'm like, okay, either this is a good deal, or I'm about to get robbed in a parking lot. So it comes with everything too. Batteries, goggles too, motion controller, FPV controller, case. So I message the guy, and he responds, but like barely. You know, those messages where you're like, are you selling the drone or are you being held hostage? So I tell him, hey, I'll drive out tomorrow, cash in hand, and then nothing. Crickets. Nothing. It's like he vanished. He probably sold it or it never existed to begin with. So I find another one. Same kind of deal, but $600. Now, I'm negotiating like I'm on Pawn Stars. I go, I got 400 cash. I can pick it up today. He counters with 500. I say, let's meet at 450. And once again, nothing. Just ghosted. Twice. At this point, I'm like, cool, I love that for me. So I wait a day, nothing from either seller, and then I do what I probably should have done from the beginning. I go to B&H, and there it is. The Avata 2, brand new, under 500, and now the real struggle begins. Do I buy it? Do I wait? Do I overthink this into oblivion? And then my wife steps in, and she basically tells me, look, if you don't buy it, I'm gonna. So at this point, this isn't even my decision anymore. This is happening. 3 days later, it's in my hands. So, as you saw at the beginning of this video, I ordered a DJI Avata 2 from B&H Photo, and it arrived, and I've gone through like just some minor testing. I've got it set up and everything's situated. I've tried to record this video once before. I ran into a snag. My GoPro wasn't hooked to my battery pack, so it didn't charge, so it was dead. But now I've got a little bit of charge. It's too late now. I've already flown the Avata 2, so it was actually pretty fun. For a person that has drone anxiety, there was none. All right, so at this point, I gotta say, I'm glad those marketplace deals fell through, because I was this close to buying an older Avata, used, questionable condition, for basically the same price. Meanwhile, this was almost brand new. The best part? No sketchy parking lot meetups. This isn't replacing my mini drones, not even close. This is adding to the arsenal. The mini drones, they're clean, controlled, cinematic. The Avata 2, this thing is about movement, energy, perspective. It puts you inside the shot. So for me, this opens up a whole new layer for this channel. And I've got some ideas, stuff that I've been wanting to try for a while. You know, more immersive shots, tighter environments, more dynamic storytelling. This isn't just a new drone. This is a new tool creatively. So now I'm curious, what do you think? Does the Avata 2 still deserve the hype? Or are you looking at something else, like the Avata 360, or whatever it is that's going to come next? Let me know down in the comments. Remember to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and click the bell for more videos. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com, to grab a few of my brand new photo prints, as well as my Lightroom presets pack that I use for all my photo projects. And until the next one, get out and shoot. Whether you're doing a drone or photo, doesn't matter. Get out there, and I'll catch you later.